about some change, guys. Humbugs. Man. There is no more trees here. There used to be a lot of trees here. This is insane. But I guess that's all part of it. Been watching this all change. Can watch, he's taking out another tree right now. There it goes. Wow. You can see that big tree over there. That giant tree. That's another one of the old ones in this area. No more. Crazy. Man, that's pretty wild. Look at that. That's how they've hauled them out all day. I definitely enjoy using my yard, and anybody who's ever followed my RC channel knows we love spending time back here. So this is definitely going to be different this year. This stuff will be going on like at least all of this year and probably part of next year. So look at that, all gone. That's change. What do you think? Yeah, pretty crazy. That's a vlog for you guys. Wow. You know what's interesting about that, Bugs? See, like, you look over at that old tree, you know, that's gonna eventually be gone. And you can tell that used to, once upon a time ago, was some kids' cool little tree house thing over there. They climbed and played and had fun. So it's crazy. Just gonna take those stumps out. It's only a matter of time before these houses are gone. So it is what it is. It's been raining like all day too, by the way. So it's been crazy weather for sure. So look at that. Yank that right up out of there. Wow. Amazing. I guess enough of that, guys. Rain, construction, deconstruction, whatever you want to call it, makes for a dreary day for sure. Makes you not want to get out and do anything. Sucks. Hate that. I like being upbeat and having fun. Oh well. I guess until the next adventure of CodesEmpire Unleashed, we'll have fun and do some little projects inside or something, huh? We'll see you guys.
Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And make sure you hit the bell to get notifications every time we post a new video. Bye!